Welcome back to another award-winning episode. Today I make the trip all the way up to DLB's workshop. Now previously we replaced the front passenger quarter panel along with the passenger side view mirror. I'll post a link above and in the comments below. But today we're going to get to replace the front bumper. We'll also do the front driver's quarter panel, but that process won't be the focus of this video. As you can see, this bumper has weathered an accident that exposes the reservoir tank.
16ths. It's getting closer.
Let's begin by removing the front headlights and undoing the series of underbelly screws. There we go. These happen to be 9/32 lining the front.
Ready to take the bumper off?
Yeah.
So it's almost done then.
No.
No way. Next, let's use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the upper 5 push-down fittings. Keep wiggling. These aren't the funnest to pull off. In fact, DLB gets a little frustrated. Oh!
Just to get underneath. Trying to figure out something to get underneath, but this is the best thing.
Yeah, it's the flathead.
I know.
Please don't use lawn clippers.
There it is. This goes right there. Pull that off. Comes right up.
Two 11mm retaining nuts fasten the bumper to the fender. 11mm.
That one I got. Right there. That's gonna take forever. There we go.
I felt a little something give over here. There she goes. Unfortunately, one screw keeping the fender on was completely stripped, thus requiring cutting. If you're simply replacing the front bumper, skip this step. There she is. Making some good progress with the new driver's side fender swapped out. Let's take off the 2 washers that lock the grille to the front bumper. If need be.
If need be, yeah.
And place the grille onto our new bumper.
Thames and then this.
I wanted to show you guys the 2 posts from which those 11mm nuts attach, because it's difficult to visualize from this footage. Alright, front bumper, grille, and fender all in place. So far, so very good. Now let's reattach the headlights electrical. Each headlight is clipped in with 2 white retaining brackets.
There we go. Much better now. It's done.
Now the hood can go back on. And let's test it out. Excellent! Special thanks to DLB and his family for the accommodations. Thank you, the viewer, for stopping by the channel. Feel free to leave us a comment below, and stay tuned for a couple outtakes.
I almost ate it.
Recyclable.
Recyclable.
The things we do for views.
Things we do for views. Things you do for views.